Well, I'd just say that the whole feeling of being part of a campaign that is for a legendary product, it's not just in India or boys in India, but globally, boys have grown up with the thought that, when are they going to be old enough to start shaving and wear Old Spice for the first time, like their fathers, and be real men.
One of the most important things that most of the men should have, I think all of them should have, is to be honest to oneself. And I'm very honest about what I am, and I'm very aware of what I am. So.
Hi everyone. I would say Mentastic is something which is yourself. You're real, and you have to be yourself. You can't portray something else. So I would say someone who has courage, who's real, and who has a confidence.
I had a great time shooting these films because it's quite an iconic campaign globally. It's really changed the way people look at advertising, the way products are advertised and marketed now on social media. Really amazing campaigns on social media. So it was great, absolutely, for me to be part of this. Fantastic. It's just to remind men everywhere about the qualities that we've always looked for in men. Historically, that they should be honest, they should be sincere, they should be hardworking, take care of people weaker than themselves. These are the qualities that are going to come back, and these are the qualities that we celebrate on Men's Day.
Be yourself, I would say, it's very important to be yourself. I've always believed that always portray what you are. Never try to do something which you're not comfortable with, which you really don't feel like. So I think if you're real, I think you are the real hero. So you can be really fantastic if you are real. So just be that.
Smell is a very, very important factor in our lives. It makes us do things, it makes us imagine things, it gives us dreams. That's why when we smell certain smells, they remind us maybe of our childhood or, things that we used to do or wanted to be. And Old Spice, really, in its myriad fragrances, brings that back to us about what a man should be, what a man should smell like, what smells make a man want to be the best that he can be. And I think that is what makes Old Spice so special for men.
It's about being active mentally as well as physically. And I think that we need to believe that there's a power far greater than what we know that is flowing through us. And when you're aware of it, you can be aware of your physical ability and your mental ability. So it's about being physically and mentally very agile and fit.
Well, this commandment is respect to all. I think given you're smelling good, you're fit and agile, you're yourself, you need to respect yourself first to start with, and the others around you, especially the ones who need that the most. So I think that will actually make you man enough.
जैसे हम कह रहे थे कि मैंटास्टिक की अगर बात करें कि मैंटास्टिक का मतलब क्या है कि इट इज़ समथिंग दैट रियली पुट्स फैंटास्टिक बैक इनटू द मैन. तो आप देखेंगे कि every man can be like these three men, but they are not. The reason they are not is they don't believe in themselves as much as these people believe in themselves. जितना ये लोग अपने खुद पे विश्वास करते हैं, खुद का जो उसूल है या जो भी बेसिस है उस पे इतना वो विश्वास करते हैं, उस पे चलते हैं. अगर बाकी लोग भी ऐसे चले, they will all be fantastic. So they all have this quality of super confidence on what they believe in.
So I think मेरी एक छोटी सी दरख्वास्त है, and I think when women expect men to be gentle, chivalrous, I think they should be ready to be receiving it. हम कई बार ऐसा होता है, हम लड़कियों के लिए दरवाज़ा खोलते हैं, उनको पता नहीं होता कि हमने उनके लिए खोला है. So उनके लिए कुर्सी खींचते हैं तो पता लगता है वो किसी और वाली कुर्सी में बैठ जाती हैं. So I think they have to respond equally, just not expect, and they should be ready to just grab the opportunity that the man is being a real man.
The ad is a really path-breaking ad even globally, and in India they've tried to replicate the kind of advertising that they're doing, which is very, it's like a kind of disruptive thing. So it doesn't go like normal ads which you're used to. it has a twist to it. It's a very quirky ad. So you look at it and you say, you know, what is this? Some people think that it's a little odd. Some people think it's funny, but it grabs attention, and that is I think the goal of every form of advertising, that you have to get attention to be able to sell the product.
Hi, this is Vidya Jamal. Please be the man you want to be, and you will be what you are supposed to be. Enjoy International Men's Day.
Hi, this is Rana Dagbari wishing you a happy International Men's Day from Old Spice.
Hi, this is Sonu Sood. Want to wish everyone International Men's Day from Old Spice.
Hi, this is Milind Soman wishing everybody a wonderful International Men's Day from Old Spice.